Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have some Happy Mail to show you. I placed an order with an Etsy shop called Havirland, and I thought I'd show it to you. It came in a bag, and it's called Spooky Nights, and it was a, it's yarn, obviously, so let's pull it out, take a look. Oh my. It's filled with a bunch of these things. Ooh. Ooh. They're all in the bag. We're gonna leave them in the bag. So it come with a card. So let's see. Okay. So let's take, I have these things all over my desk. Hang on. Let's get them off of here real quick before they get really bad. I've probably got them all over my lap too. Okay. So let's take a look at the yarn and I'll read the card. And boy, are these things like all over the yarn. Okay. So this is the yarn right here. So it is sock weight. Oh, staples. And here it is. It is, and here's the name of the store. It's Havirland. Havirland. And the whole kit was called a Spooky Slumber Party. Oh, come on, come in. Dang it, come on. Dang it, camera. Okay. Hand-dyed and inspired by spooky tales, cryptids, and the supernatural. The name of the color is Mall Dyer Run. It is on Potomac sock, 75% merino, 25% nylon, and there are 462 yards, or 100 grams. And here's the colorway. And there it is. It's very pretty. And it comes with a mini. The mini is 80% superwash merino, 20% nylon. There are 20 grams in here. No, I take that back. This one is 75% merino, 25% nylon, and it is 20 grams of yarn. And it's called Shivers. And it goes with Mall Dyer. So finger and toes, heels and toes, and then for the if I make socks. So there's the yarns. And I also got a tea from my favorite tea company, Eastern Shore Tea Company, and it's called Chestertown Tea. This is my favorite tea company of all places. So this is Mall Dyer Run, inspired by an illustration of Mall Dyer by Sarah Hayes. So I'm going to tell you a little something about it. Mary Mall Dyer was an elderly spinster who lived in a hut near the woods. To the town folks, she had some strange customs and practices that bewildered them. This caused the locals to believe she was a witch, and the witch must have unleashed her wrath on the area. Interesting. On a bitterly cold night in February of 1698, a group of local townspeople descended on Mall Dyer's hut, hoping to force her to leave the area. The mob set fire to her hut, forcing Mall to flee into the nearby woods. A few days later, a young boy was searching for some stray animals when he came across Mall's frozen body. Sadly, Mall froze to death on a large rock. one hand and both knees on the rock, with the other hand raised toward the sky. The locals believed that in her last moments, Moll cursed the rock and the area for her demise. So, here's what's interesting about this. She always gives you a movie suggestion to go along with this. The movie suggestion is The Blair Witch Project, which is set in Maryland. There has been speculation that the tale of Moll Dyer served as inspiration for the film. And outside of Tudor Hall, home of the St. Mary's County Historical Society, sits the large rock on display that Moll Dyer froze to. And if anyone touches it, legend says that the rock is cursed, and anyone who touches it may become ill or suffer some sort of misfortune. So that's interesting. I wanted to see if it says anything else, and it doesn't. Anyway, if you are interested in the legend of Moll Dyer, a fictional story inspired by her was featured in an episode of Dan Cummins Presents, Bad Magic Productions. You can find the episode on YouTube. It is from April 2021 and is entitled Scared to Death, The Legend of Moll Dyer, Molldyer. The legend of Moll Dyer took place in the county I am from in Maryland. So it's actually in the same town that my parents live. So I was really kind of excited to get this colorway. I think it's really cute. But she goes, I only read you an excerpt. I mean, she goes on with quite a bit about Moll Dyer on here. But it's really neat. You can look up Moll Dyer and read about her on Wikipedia. It's really cool. Moll was a nickname for women in the 1600s whose name started with an M. So that's like really cool. But yeah, we all knew about the legend of Moll Dyer when I was growing up. So, but this is the colorway. It's really beautiful. She did a great job. The owner of Havirland, her name is Carol, and she lives not far from my family. So she does a beautiful job. But check out her Etsy shop. I'm going to link it in the description box. She does a beautiful job with her dyeing yarn. So check her out. She does some great yarns. I actually have a few. Not going to tell you how many. But please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Thanks, Carol. Bye now.